Hello, I'm Miss Susan from the Cape May County Library Children's Department, and this video is the art and science of snowflakes. The first part of this video shows you 6 different ways to do the art of snowflakes. Named snowflakes are unique and personalized. They're super easy to do. You just need a piece of paper, scissors, a pencil, and I use a paper plate. Trace the paper plate on paper, cut out the circle, fold the circle in half, then fold the half into thirds. Write your name in bold letters with the fold across the top of the letters. Then use your scissors to cut across the side, top, and bottom, being careful not to cut all the folded edges. Each named snowflake is totally unique. If you're looking for more of a science project, try the magic salt and watercolor snowflakes. You'll need watercolor paper, salt, a white or gray crayon, watercolor paint, and paintbrush. Here I actually used a pencil to draw a snowflake shape, then erased my pencil marks and used a white crayon to go over the where I had drawn my snowflake. But you could use a gray crayon if you'd rather not use a pencil. Then just paint over top of your snowflake design. I used some blue and some purple here. And while the paint is still wet, you'll want to drizzle some salt across the top of your snowflake. And like magic, you get this amazing snowflake. Check out these beautiful snowflake designs. They're truly magical and gorgeous. The next craft are the beaded snowflakes. They're great for preschoolers and young children. And all you need are pony beads and pipe cleaners. That's it, super easy. Each snowflake will require 1.5 pipe cleaners. Cut the pipe cleaners in half and use 3 halves. Arrange the 3 halves into a snowflake shape and twist the pipe cleaners. Then start adding pony beads to each branch of the snowflake, making some kind of pattern. When finished, tuck in the pipe cleaner to the last pony bead. If you have a lot of tissue paper around, you might like to try a tissue paper snowflake collage. All you need is tissue paper, paper plates, a scissors, and a pencil. Just go ahead and trace out the circle on tissue paper, cut it out, fold it in half, fold it in thirds, and then cut along the different edges until you make a really amazing tissue paper snowflake. Then use tape or glue to stick them all on. Tape resist snowflakes are perfect for preschoolers and super easy to do. All you need is some watercolor paper, watercolor paint, and some different size tape. Go ahead and make the tape design on the watercolor paper. Then use the watercolor and paint over top of your tape design. When it's still wet, you want to just pull up the tape very carefully so that you don't grab some paper along the way. And when you're done, you get this gorgeous tape resist snowflake. Your children will be amazed. And the final snowflake are the craft sticks and glitter confetti snowflakes. All you'll need is some craft sticks, glue, clear glitter glue, and some clear confetti. Glue the sticks together to make a snowflake shape. Add some glue across the sticks, and then put some confetti on top. That's it. Now on to the science of snowflakes. The following facts are from these 4 books, which can be found in the Cape May County Library. We know a lot about snowflakes because of a man named Wilson A. Bentley. He loved snow so much, he studied it most of his life. During every snowstorm, Wilson Bentley took photographs of the snowflakes. He noticed that no 2 snowflakes were exactly alike. The life of a snowflake begins with water. Water evaporates from oceans and lakes to become water vapor and condenses into water droplets. You can't see this, but this is how clouds form. A snowflake begins to form when an extremely cold water droplet freezes onto a pollen or dust particle in the sky. This creates an ice crystal. As the ice crystal falls to the ground, water vapor freezes onto the primary crystal, building new crystals, the 6 arms of the snowflake. So snowflakes are made of crystals of ice that form from bits of dirt in the air. Each snowflake could have as many as 200 crystals in them. Snowflakes usually have a 6-sided hexagon shape, but there are 7 main shapes of snow crystals or snowflakes. There are plates, stellar crystals, columns, needles, spatial dendrites, capped columns, and irregular forms. Each snowflake has its own unique design, and no two are exactly alike. But did you know that snowflakes come in many different sizes? Each individual snowflake follows a slightly different path from the sky to the ground, and they encounter slightly different atmospheric conditions along the way. Therefore, they all tend to look unique and different. If you'd like to be a scientist and study snowflakes too, just take a piece of black paper and a magnifying glass outside the next time it snows, lay the paper on the ground and let some snowflakes land on it, and then use your magnifying glass to study the different snowflakes that you are able to catch. What did you learn about snowflakes today? And what snowflake craft will you make first?